Welcome to Lago di Braies, also known as Pragser Wildsee, a hidden alpine treasure nestled in the heart of the Italian Dolomites. Located in South Tyrol, northern Italy, this lake is one of the most photographed natural destinations in the country. From above, its emerald green water, surrounded by steep limestone peaks and dense pine forests, looks almost unreal. Whether seen in early morning mist or glowing under the afternoon sun, Lago di Braies is a place that captivates the soul. The lake sits at about 1,500 meters above sea level and stretches 1.2 kilometers long. It was formed by a natural landslide thousands of years ago, which blocked the river Braies. Today, it is part of the Fain-Sens-Braies Nature Park, a protected area full of wildlife, rare plants, and stunning mountain landscapes. Local legend says that the lake once connected the human world to the mythical underground kingdom of Fains. The Dolomites have many such stories, blending nature and mythology into one magical experience. As you begin walking around the lake, you'll notice that the trail is about 3.6 kilometers long and takes around an hour to complete. The path is well maintained and accessible to most visitors, though one section includes some narrow wooden staircases. On the western shore, the path is flat and wide, perfect for families and easy strolls. The eastern side is a bit wilder, climbing slightly into the forest and offering dramatic views from above. From ground level, you get a completely different perspective than from the air. Reflections of the mountains ripple on the water's surface, birds circle overhead, and every turn gives you something new to discover. One of the most iconic features of Lago di Braies is its old wooden boathouse, where traditional rowboats can be rented in spring, summer, and early fall. These boats are often seen floating quietly across the lake, adding to its postcard-perfect charm. Each season here brings something different. In summer, green forests and blue skies. In autumn, golden trees and cool mountain air. In winter, a frozen lake and snow-covered peaks. No matter when you visit, the scenery is breathtaking. Getting here is easy. The lake is accessible by car, bus, or even by bike from nearby towns like Dabbiaco or Brunico. However, during peak summer months, some access roads are limited, and pre-booking a time slot or using shuttle buses might be required. Early morning or late afternoon visits are often the most peaceful, especially if you want to avoid crowds. And don't forget your camera. This place is a photographer's paradise. As we leave Lago di Braies, we invite you to take in a few final views of the Italian Dolomites. These majestic mountains are a UNESCO World Heritage Site, offering some of the most dramatic landscapes in Europe. From jagged peaks and lush meadows to alpine lakes and deep valleys, the Dolomites remind us just how rich and diverse nature can be. Thank you for joining this journey. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more relaxing and inspiring travel content from beautiful places like this. See you in the next adventure.